Hi, I'm Troy with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. I want to thank you for your purchase of the Tsunami wall-mounted aftercooler. So now that we've got our aftercooler, one of the first things we're going to want to do is determine the direction of flow. Now this heat exchanger fan and shroud assembly will allow us to flip-flop that direction. So for where we're at in this truck here, we're going to eventually be plumbing compressed air in from the cab end here towards the opening, so we're going to want to flip-flop the aftercooler assembly. We're going to take a 1/2-inch ratchet or wrench and these 4 mounting bolts that are holding in the shroud. We're going to want to loosen those up and remove them. You're going to want to set these aside. Then you're going to slide this mounting bracket out. Then you can take the shroud assembly, set it out of place. Now here, as I said, we're going to want to flip-flop this heat exchanger. So all we do is flip it 180 degrees, making sure our inlet and outlet are changing position. Put our fan and shroud assembly back on there. Slide the mounting bracket in, get the bolt started. Now the angle bracket has a slot to it, so don't worry too much about the alignment. You'll be able to use the slot as a method to be able to provide alignment. Once the aftercooler's even been mounted to the wall, you can gently loosen those up and shift the aftercooler so that you can make sure that the aftercooler is plumbed in and aligned to your liking. Then all you want to do is tighten it, get it nice and snug. There, we've changed the direction of the inlet from the left over to the right side of the aftercooler. For any other questions, contact customer service at 800-782-5752 or check us out at tsunami.us.com.